Welcome, my dear friends. Recently, a large number of our followers with diabetes and insulin resistance have contacted me. They have told me about their ongoing struggles with sudden spikes in their blood sugar levels due to their difficulty and inability to control the type and quantity of food they eat. But the pleasant surprise? After I shared with them a healthy lifestyle and important, accurate, scientifically based advice, they returned to me with many messages of thanks and gratitude, telling me that they noticed a clear and tangible improvement in a very short period of time. Based on the fact that knowledge is not complete without sharing it, I decided to present to you this important and very valuable video in which I present the same advice, in addition to an amazing recipe for a wonderful, natural drink with simple ingredients available in every home, but with tremendous power to regulate blood sugar and lower its accumulated levels. This recipe is not only based on experience, but also on the latest scientific studies. Its benefits extend beyond sugar to include raising good cholesterol, HDL, preventing cardiovascular disease, and promoting overall health and daily activity. Don't miss this informative video that will change your health for the better. Watch the video until the end because knowledge is power and your health deserves the best. Before we start, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. It is very dangerous to be afflicted with a disease that accompanies you throughout your whole life like an enemy that is waiting for any opportunity to destroy you. Among these fatal diseases, diabetes, which threatens the life of many people around the world. Since you are one of our followers, I am completely confident that you won't surrender to this disease and will follow the important steps and wonderful advice that I'll present to you today. If you follow this advice, you won't suffer from the problems of this chronic disease, and you will regain hope in enjoying your life like healthy people. Rather, you will also advise all your friends, relatives, or anyone you care about to watch this video because it is a lifeline for every person suffering from diabetes or even for any person who wants to protect themselves from contracting this disease. Actually, I don't know why a diabetic consumes food with high sources of carbohydrates. If you don't want to destroy and harm your body, immediately stop eating bread made from white flour, as well as rice and pasta, because they simply raise the glycemic profiles. You should know that your life won't be miserable if you avoid eating processed meats or if you don't go out to eat delicious food whose carbohydrate or sugar content you don't know. On the contrary, if you insist on doing so, you will later regret a lot for not changing your lifestyle for the better. In addition, you must completely stay away from alcoholic beverages, as they are deadly to the body. Also, avoid drinking soft drinks and the so-called energy drinks because they complicate the matter due to their huge amounts of sugar and cause a sugar spike. Consume more fiber-rich foods such as peas, chickpeas, chia seeds, flax seeds, oats, avocados, and berries, as they slow down digestion and increase sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar levels stable for a long time. This reduces insulin resistance and helps reduce accumulated sugar and harmful cholesterol levels in the body. Don't deprive yourself of seafood like salmon, tuna, and sardines. They are rich in healthy fats, omega-3, and zinc, which prevent excessive insulin secretion and reduce insulin resistance. For high energy without negatively impacting blood sugar levels, eat foods containing chromium and selenium, both of which are found in organ meats like liver, as well as beans, potatoes, eggs, nuts, and fruit like pears, apples, and avocados. I recommend eating fresh and home-cooked food with your beloved family, as you'll be able to carefully select the ingredients. Your body needs a large amount of fluids daily, so be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. This is to protect your body from dehydration as well as help your kidneys quickly and easily eliminate excess sugar from your body through urine. It's also beneficial to drink lemon juice before eating because it helps reduce high blood sugar by 30%, thanks to its contribution to stimulating the secretion of salivary amylase, which slows digestion and regulates blood sugar levels. There are two very important things that you must be careful to do in conjunction with following the advice we mentioned in this video. One is intermittent fasting, and the second is exercising. To enjoy a calm life, the diabetic patient must be careful to avoid eating many or repeated meals in a short time. Therefore, intermittent fasting is very important and necessary for the rest of the liver and pancreas responsible for secreting insulin, as well as making them perform their functions normally without disturbances in insulin secretion. Also, intermittent fasting forces the body to obtain energy by consuming excess fat stores and then controlling blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. Now, I guess that there are some viewers wondering about how to implement the intermittent fasting strategy. Intermittent fasting is a period of time ranging from 12 to 16 hours in which you abstain from food completely or from any food that provides the body with calories. However, be careful not to start your fasting for 16 hours in the beginning or to fast daily. It is recommended to do so every other day so that the body doesn't enter into sudden or annoying disturbances that lead to undesirable results. You can start by fasting for 8 hours between meals and gradually increasing this period until it reaches 16 or even 18 hours. This is very good for lowering your blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. Regular exercise, such as walking or running for at least 30 minutes daily, has a significant impact on the body's activity, burning fats, and removing excess glucose from the body. It also increases the absorption of sugar into cells, reducing insulin resistance. Therefore, whether you have diabetes or not, exercise is one of the most important treatments and effective ways to protect your body from various chronic diseases. Not only that, exercise also significantly helps in losing excess weight, which is a major obstacle to regulating blood sugar levels. As promised, now it's time to know what is the wonderful drink we mentioned in the introduction and how it is prepared and consumed. The drink consists of 5 amazing ingredients: chamomile flowers, cinnamon, green tea, lemon, and olive oil. Before we learn how to prepare it, we must first know the benefits of each of its components. In brief, chamomile flowers are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds such as flavonoids apigenin and quercetin, which help the body reduce insulin resistance. Cinnamon also prevents free radicals that cause cell damage, as it contains a variety of antioxidants leading to improved insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. While green tea contains an antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate, which reduces blood glucose by 10 to 15% and increases insulin sensitivity by 15%. Lemon plays an effective role in inhibiting the conversion of starch to sugar, thus reducing the percentage of sugar absorbed from food. Lemon is rich in fiber, which delays glucose absorption, thus helping to regulate sugar levels in the body. And finally, there is the effective olive oil. It strengthens immunity and improves the rate of insulin secretion in the body, as it contains many polyphenol compounds, oleic acid, and antioxidants. Preparing the mixed drink. Add a teaspoon of chamomile flowers and half a teaspoon of green tea to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Then strain the green tea and chamomile flowers. After that, add a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and another tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to the cup. Stir the mixture well, then it is ready to drink. It is preferable to drink it after the main lunch meal. Drink a cup daily for 15 days. After this period, you can consume it only 3 times a week. I promise that within a short period, your blood sugar levels will be improved and all bodily functions will be enhanced as well. In addition, your excess weight will be reduced and you will no longer suffer from annoying digestive disorders or high cholesterol levels. It is truly a wonderful drink that is indispensable. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.